Digestion and excretion. Our digestive system. Our digestive system helps us to get the nutrients we need from food. The mouth has teeth that break the food into small pieces and a tongue that mixes the food with saliva so it's easy to swallow. The esophagus is a long tube. Food goes down here to the stomach. The stomach is like a bag. Gastric juices break down the food even more and turn it into a thick liquid. The thick liquid leaves the stomach and goes into the small intestine. The small intestine is a very long, thin tube. There are lots of blood vessels around the tube. The thick liquid from the stomach goes through here and the nutrients pass into the blood. The large intestine is a wide tube. It connects to the anus. What our body doesn't need goes along here and out through the anus when we go to the toilet. Our excretory system. Our excretory system helps our body to get rid of excess water and waste products. The blood goes through the kidneys. The kidneys remove excess water from waste products from the blood and turns them into urine. The ureters are long tubes where the urine goes down to the bladder. The bladder is like a bag. It collects the urine. When it is full, it sends messages to the brain that it is time to go to the toilet. The urethra is a short tube. Urine goes down here and leaves your body when we go to the toilet. The nutrients in food. Food contains the nutrients we need to live and grow. Different food contains different nutrients. There are 5 types of nutrients. Potatoes, bread, cereals, pasta, pulses, and rice contain carbohydrates. Oil, butter, chorizo, cheese, and nuts contain fats. Meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and dairy products contain proteins. Fruit and vegetables contain vitamins and minerals, like vitamin C, vitamin A, or calcium. Different nutrients are for different things. Carbohydrates give us energy. Fats build a store of energy for when we need it. Proteins help us grow. Vitamins and minerals help us to stay healthy. More than half our body is water. A healthy diet. Our diet is what we eat. A diet can be healthy or unhealthy. To be healthy, we need to eat a variety of food. We need to eat more of some things and less of others. The food in these sectors give us energy. You can eat bread, pasta, and olive oil regularly, but pastries and butter on special occasions. As well as healthy diet. Don't forget to drink water and play your favorite sport. The food in these sectors help us grow and keep our bones and muscles healthy. Drink milk daily and eat pulses and fish often. Eat red meat occasionally. The food in these sectors help us to keep our bodies healthy. Eat these foods every day. I know all about healthy eating. You should eat the right type of servings of each type of food. Eat a piece of fruit or some vegetables at least 5 times a day. Drink water or fruit juice and not fizzy drinks. You shouldn't eat from all the groups every day. Eat the same proportions of food in each section of the food wheel. Eat red meat every day. Healthy habits. To be healthy, we need rest, exercise, a balanced diet, and good hygiene. When we are healthy, we have plenty of energy to feel well. When we are unhealthy, we feel tired and are often ill. Sleep 10 to 11 hours every night. Go to bed early. Relax and read before you go to sleep. Do some exercise every day. Sit and stand properly. Stretch and warm up your muscles. Eat a variety of food and drink water. Eat lots of fruit and vegetables. Eat food with lots of fats or sugar occasionally. Healthy habits. Have a shower every day. Brush your teeth after meals. Wash your hands before you eat and after you use the toilet and after you touch an animal. Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. Clean cuts and grazes. Use flip-flops at the swimming pools. Visit the doctor and dentist regularly. Don't watch TV or play video games for hours. Do different activities. Spend time with your family and friends. Read and learn new things. Food intolerances. A food intolerance means the digestive system doesn't work well when you eat products with a specific ingredient. Lactose is found in dairy products. If you have a lactose intolerance, drinking milk or eating cheese, yogurt, or ice cream can give you an upset stomach or a stomach ache. But don't worry, there are alternatives. For example, lactose-free milk, soy milk, almond or coconut milk, and there are other foods that you can enjoy that keep you healthy. Gluten is found in wheat. If you have a gluten intolerance, eating things like bread, pasta, or pizza can give you an upset stomach, a headache, or make you feel tired all the time. But don't worry, there are alternatives. You can find a lot of food in the supermarkets that say gluten-free, and you can eat rice and potatoes too. Food allergies. A food allergy means that your body reacts badly to certain foods. You can get a rash, an upset stomach, or difficulty in breathing. What should you do if you have an intolerance or allergy? Learn the things you can't eat. Tell the adults around you about your allergy before you eat anything. Before you buy anything, read the label carefully. First aid. First aid is how you help people when they have an accident or become ill suddenly, before the person sees a doctor or a nurse. In an emergency, there are 3 basic rules. Always stay calm. Get an adult if possible. If necessary, call 112 for the emergency services. What do you have to do in this situation? An asthma attack. Get an inhaler. A broken bone. Keep the part of the body still and support it. A cut. Clean it with soap and water. A burn. Cool it down under the running water. Machines and first aid. When you have an accident or feel ill suddenly and go to see a doctor or nurse, they often take your temperature with a thermometer to see if you have a fever. Take your blood pressure with a blood monitor or blood pressure monitor. If it's low, it may mean you are dehydrated. If it's high, it may be because you have a lot of pain or because you have a general health problem. If they think you have a broken bone, they do an x-ray. What have we learned? The digestive system has different parts. The mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. What have we learned? The excretory system has different parts. Kidneys, uterus, bladder, urethra. We can find different nutrients in food. Proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, fats. It is important to have healthy habits. Do exercise, balanced diet, prevent diseases, rest.